sweetie. What's this? Oh, what's this? Toby! Toby!
Don't pee on the barbecue. Here's Toby's first day at home.
Go, Toby, go!
He likes it. Toby! Toby!
That's Paul. Go get him.
Toby! Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Yes.
What's this all about? I wonder if he'll fetch it. Tom. What is that? Okay.
Funny sneezes. Oh. Don't pee on my barbecue. See how it's ripped?
Yeah.
Toby! I know it smells good, but... What?
He did his ears all of a sudden up. Oh, woo! Oh, take a breather.
Probably tired. Big day.
Yeah. Long ride home.
You like it back here, buddy? Do you?
He likes a tushy massage.
Yes, I could tell. He likes that a lot. Look at his smile.
Does that feel good? Oh, boy. You're a good boy. Yes. You're so
Ooh, he's fast. Oh, I should get him some water.
Here, I'll get him some. Somebody wants to go inside and explore.
Okay.
What's in there?
Oh, get him away.
Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. Okay. So exciting.
It's over there. The room. Good. He's not peeing.
It's a good sign.
What did he do? Just licked your heels. See if he finds the stairs. What you doing, Toby? How's it look? You like it?
You like it?
Lots of stuff. Alright, he's checked out the coffee table.
Pink.
Thirsty? God, gave him one of our bowls.
No. Somebody didn't want to prepare.
No, Toby, no.
No, no, Toby. It's the ant killer. Go outside.
I think Toby likes it here.
Go. Go, Toby, go. Go, go, 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 go. Go, go He's fast.
Oh yeah. I'm sure he can run like 45 miles an hour. That's about how April. That's how April played fetch. She'd chase it and then leave it.
Oh, she got some air on that one.
He. You called. You called Toby a she. He's not a she. All we have is a baseball, right? We don't have a tennis ball.